a great choice today with the 2019 Buick Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, remote engine start, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.